Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Sarah Fine Shop reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple products including education and office items, musical instruments, lights and lighting products, camping and hiking products, and car repair tools and many more items including exterior accessories, remote control toys, cycling items and auto replacement parts, consumer electronics, luggage and bags, tools, etc. And you can see the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. And they are offering very affordable prices. They are offering the products at very affordable prices, guys. They are offering huge discounts on various products. So let's talk about the payment information of the site. So talking about the payment information, guys, you can see at the bottom of the web page various modes of payment are available on the site, including PayPal, American Express, Visa, etc. You can take a look. And rest, talking about shipping policy, let's take a look at the shipping and return policy page. So guys, this is the shipping policy page. They have mentioned the entire information related to shipping and duration, and the shipping delivery will be 1 to 7 business days. So rest you can read for your knowledge, guys. And the first class shipping will take around 4 to 10 business days. Other shipping USPS priority take around 2 to 6 business days. So this is the shipping information. You can read the more for your knowledge. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information, talking about the domain name was created on 26th of May 2020. So guys, this site is 9 months old website, and according to our study, we have found that this domain is registered for 1 year only. So the domain age factor is not enough to define its legitimacy in the context of this website's legitimacy. Now let's take a look at the about us information to know more about this website. So this is the about us page. They have mentioned enough information that can define its offering information, but guys, they have not mentioned the exact information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So this is a negative sign here. And talking about contact us page, you need to click on the contact us page, which is available in the footer menu option button, and they have provided the contact number, official address and email address. However, you can see the email address seems to be fake, guys. This is a normal Gmail ID. Most of the scam and problematic sites use such type of emails, which is not a good sign, guys. So the contact detail seems to be fake, so the site can't be trusted on the basis of this factor. And talking about social media presence, you can see various social media icons are available on the web page, but these social media icons are not active or misleading. So when you will click all the social media icons, you will be redirected to a blank page. So this is a negative sign, guys. Now talking about return policy of the site, let's visit the return policy page. You need to scroll down this page to know more about the return and refund policy. So here you can see they have mentioned 30 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. Now talking about Sarah Fine Shop reviews, guys, we have found no customer reviews about this site on the internet nor on the official website, which is one of the biggest drawbacks of this site that define its suspiciousness. Guys, the trust index score of this site is 2%, which is really very bad. It shows that the website is not popular and the website is ranked too low among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. So short life expectancy domain and the various loopholes that I have discussed in the video makes the site quite suspicious, guys. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this website. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. I'll get back to you with another scam alert, and thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.